Gold4Oil suspended. I don't want to speak much about this because you have to go into economics, and economics might bore many people. But all you need to know and have to know at this point is say this Gold4Oil that has been suspended, MPP government just left 4 months of import cover, which means that in 4 months, most certainly our currency, the cedi, is going to depreciate at a very, very, very fast rate. Because this Gold4Oil policy has been one of the reasons why our cedi has seen some relative stability throughout 2024 and up till now. So the suspension of this Gold4Oil policy, what it's going to mean is that more demand will go on forex, which is the dollar. And as the demand goes, the dollar will keep gaining against the cedi. The cedi will keep depreciating. So by March, April, we should be expecting the cedi to be on a free fall direction. And it's going to affect a lot of people greatly. You want to ask me, if this is the economic implication, then why is His Excellency John Dramani Mahamad's government, his appointed governor, who already has a question mark, taking such a decision? It is simple. If you want to understand, you have to cast your mind back to what happened with Bust between 2009, okay, and how do you call it, and 2017. You have to cast your mind back. What happened within those years? Those years, NDC financiers became oil gurus. The whatever was there that the state had built at Bust to also make some money, they had pushed it aside and were having their own routes. They were buying their own tankers. The same is going to happen now. With the Gold4Oil, everything is centralized. It is traceable. You don't have unseen hands calling the shots. Now, with that out of the way, it becomes the highest bidders, right? So Bank of Ghana is going to make the dollar available to the NDC gurus. If you're not an NDC person, you don't get a dollar to be able to import fuel. And when it happens that way, those Ghanaians who were in business, who were doing genuine business, okay, they will be starved out. Then we will have a kind of oligarchy in the oil sector. And that is the plan of the NDC. Once again, people have invested their monies into the campaign of NDC, and they must recoup it as fast as possible. Because right now, the NDC is just like the devil. You know, the devil, everything the devil is doing is fast, because the devil knows he got no time. He must win as many souls before Christ returns. Then also, the same thing is happening with NDC. NDC is so bent on stealing as much as possible within 4 years, because they know, everybody in NDC knows that 2028 MPP is going to win, 2029 Baumia is coming back. Everybody in NDC knows. So they know they don't have 8 years to steal. So in as much as possible, within 4 years, they must be able to steal as much as they can. And that is why they are putting in all these plans, all these tactics, from Hajj to cancelling Gold4Oil and all those things. The final thing before our guest comes in is cost of living. Today I was going across TikTok and I came across a news item or a video, just a short video. When I saw the video, it reminded me of something that Mami, the people in Canada, US, Auntie Selena, UK, Auntie Mary, and Co, Auntie Pauline, something they were telling us before we went to vote. They were giving us a warning, you remember? They were telling us that there were some supermarkets that you are not even allowed to buy 2 crates of egg, because they are trying as much as possible to regulate inflation. Now the situation has moved beyond that. And I'm telling you about what is happening in some places in US. When I saw this video today, I was shocked. I was so shocked. And it's unfortunate that we are not yet on YouTube where I can play the video to you. But I will play the sound to you. Sorry. I'll play the sound bite to you. You listen and I'll explain to you what is going on in the video. Now, this video, it is available on CNN's platform on TikTok. The video I'm about playing for you, if you want to check the credibility of the video, it is available on CNN's platform on YouTube, on TikTok. Right, so you can go there after this show, okay, after this show, and then you go and watch it and see that indeed is a video that is true and is not any fabrication by me. So let me play the video. Listen carefully.
In the Bronx, the borough where I grew up, we headed to Pamela's Green Deli.
Good to see you.
Where the price of eggs is a red-hot topic.
Now it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's horrible.
What are you thinking about egg prices these days?
They're too expensive. I haven't eaten eggs in about a month.
Okay, that's incredible. Did you used to eat a lot of
Every
eggs?
day. Every day. My children too. Not anymore.
You know, it's crazy that we can't afford eggs. It's a good thing that the owner's doing, though. He's selling eggs loose so that the community have access to them.
Selling eggs loose, 3 at a time, instead of a dozen.
So I heard you're doing something special here, something a little bit different, so that people can actually get the eggs that they need to.
Instead of selling the dozen for $12, $11, we decided to sell loose eggs. You know, like these packets. $2.99 for these 3 eggs.
All right, so let me explain to you what is happening in this video. As I said, this video is available on CNN's platform on TikTok right here. You can go and watch. What is happening is that people are not able to afford kosia in US. As we are speaking, people in America, our first lady will say America, they are not able to afford kosia. And you know, most of their supermarkets abroad, they sell it in dozens. So it means that 12. So you buy one packet, 12 I need. Auntie Diana, you're welcome. Okay? You buy one packet. Okay, Amma Papa be good. Amma says that egg we used to buy $6 now is $39. You see? Aha. Shaka say Amle Kapa. Napo say now 6. Right. Okay? So before the pandemic, before Corona, they were buying egg at $6. As for 12 of them at $6. Now, the price has gone beyond $15. Some places, the price has gone beyond $35. There is a woman in the video. She says she has not eaten egg in a month. A full month, she has not tasted egg. Why? They ask her, are you okay? Education have said the UK is harder than Ghana. I mean, the UK. You are seeing the thing. So the woman in the video says that she has not eaten egg in a month. 1 whole month, she has not eaten egg. 1 whole month, though, when Dikosia. And they are asking her why. Say because of the price. $12. $12. She said before then, she used to eat egg every day. Now she cannot eat egg. She's not eating egg in a whole month. Why? Because of because of inflation. Things have become expensive. This is America. United States of America. It is on CNN's page on TikTok. Go there and go and see it. Now Hima says everything is expensive. Auntie Diana says that yes, so even half a dozen is expensive. I'm glad. I'm not a big fan of eggs eating lot. And so, do you know why they are praising this store owner in US? You know why they are praising the store owner? Because now the store owner has removed the eggs and is selling it three for $3. 3 for $3. And because now it's 3 for $3, people can now go and buy at least 3 before the road. So the community is praising the store owner. America. US, oh, Auntie, how do you call her? What's the name? The wife of John Normani Mahama. Oh, Auntie Lodina. Auntie Lodina will say, Amlika for. They can't buy 12 eggs. Amlika for cannot buy 12 eggs. Oh. Now they are buying a 3 and they are happy. They are praising the store owner. Say, oh, you are our Jesus. You are our savior. Now, when I saw this, I shook my head. You know why I shook my head? You know why I shook my head? If the mighty is suffering, then weaklings like you and I, who are in Accra, Peve, Keta, Kumasi, Tamale, Bolga, Wa, Bole, where again? Mention the towns. Techiman, Sekendi Takradi, Cape Coast, K2 and all. If people in America are suffering, they cannot buy 12 eggs. Kosiane Meku, 12 eggs they cannot buy. They asked somebody in the video why he cannot buy. He said if he buys the eggs are, if he buy a crate of egg, it means he cannot buy milk and the other things. America, oh. Hey! See, I said the next 4 years ahead of us, if God does not intervene in this country, if God does not look beyond your Jimmy, if God does not look beyond your Jimmy to show us mercy, we will get to a place where I don't want to even say it, I don't want to even think about it. People will start looking for cockroach to eat. Cockroach, is in Tatia or Tefre? Is in Tatia. Then also, if people in America, Antilodines America, if they cannot buy egg 12 eggs, Tefre, okay. If people in America cannot buy egg 12, now they are giving to them 3, and they are happy, they are praising the shop owner. Hey, Mahama go show us Pepe. Charlie, you can send your request, let's have a conversation. Let me read some comments quickly. Send your request, let's have a conversation. Okay, Napo is saying now they are selling it in 6.6, right? For some place. Kweku says good evening. Evening, Kweku. Education Hub, as he said, UK is harder now. He's in the UK. Nana Hima says, I'm in UK. We buy 6 eggs. You see now, right? Auntie Nana Hima again say everything is expensive. That shows a fuel. Even fuel has doubled. Wow. Maldini says MPP is my favorite. Nana Hima says even our phone bills has gone up in the UK. Oh, you are. Auntie Mary is laughing. Boss Rod is laughing. We say very true, pa. Yo.